Look, I think it's a case of an academic not making it in politics. And she was an appointment of Julia Gillard. And I've got to say, at that time, I loved the way we had a female Governor-General, we had a female on the High Court, we had Marie Bashir in New South Wales. We were seeing females in some significant positions, and appointing a female to this position was, you know, excellent. Unfortunately, she was an academic. I don't think she got it, and I think she's had a lot of female appointments to boards down. I mean, if you look at other Victorian legal people, William Dean, what a fantastic way to lead the country to consensus on very controversial topics. She didn't. She had an ideological position. She was going to ram it down the government's throat, and I don't think she brought anyone with her. She caused controversy, she achieved nothing with it, and when you look at other people that are given that opportunity, she squandered it. If you want to look at her history, she's brought her organisation into disrepute, and we've now got a huge bunch of bridges to build to regenerate that structure to be anything seen as anything but this extremely left-leaning. Do you know what I mean? I mean, I don't think her legacy is going to be anything but an academic who didn't make it in politics.
Jackie, that is just an absolute cut-and-paste political attack on this woman. Absolute cut-and-paste. She's a lawyer with a profound interest and a profound attachment to people's rights. That is always going to bring her in conflict with the government.
Look at her record. Where has she actively acted on the record as a defending lawyer in any of these cases?
And she's
a lecturer.
Got great runs on the board.
She is lectured.
In her years
she's lectured
here.
At various universities in Melbourne and overseas.
Jackie, why is that seen as a bad thing?
I'm just saying that she's got no real experience, such as a practising lawyer like William Dean.
You're dumping on lecturers and lawyers.
No,
and
I'm just saying.
Who else are you going to dump on while you're at it?
She didn't make the transition to a leadership role very well.
She was a fine
She should have been a leader in the role, and she failed completely.
The fact that in Australia right now, the way the dialogue is going, human rights are seen as a leftist issue, has not to be placed on her doorstep. This goes all the way back to the Howard government.
She started out with a government with 18C in existence. Today, we have a situation where it's about to get abolished. She really brought it forward.
And you think that's for her? OK, we're going to have to leave it there for the drama this evening, I'm afraid. Thanks so much to our robust panellists this evening, Sami Shah, Jackie Kelly and David Marr. We'll be back again tomorrow night.